Hi, we're Direct Order Blinds, and today we are showing you how to install a FITtoFRAME StickFit Honeycomb Blind. Before we start, you'll want to make sure you've got everything laid out in front of you. Using the alcohol wipe provided, clean the area of the window glass in which the adhesive side guides will be placed and dry using a paper towel. Next, place the adhesive brackets in the side guides as shown. Peel off the protective layer on the adhesive strip located on the back of the side guide and apply to the window glass. When attaching the handles, push flush with the headrail and slide until it has covered the screw block. Place the top left and right end caps over the brackets. Using the multi-tool, push the top rail end towards the side guide until a click is heard. Repeat the process for the bottom brackets and bottom rail end. Now your blind is installed and ready to use. Use the handles to adjust to any height preference.